कॉलेरा दुयेंती वाडत आशिल्ल्यान दक्षिण गोंयांत भलायकेचो हुस्को वाडत आसा। भलायकी खात्यान आयज कुटबुर्णा जेटीचेर खाशेली तपासणी केली।
वैजकी पंगडान ह्या सुवातेर 1555 लोकांची तपासणी केली। तातूंतले 13 कॉलेरा दुयेंतां मेळ्ळे। तशेंच एका दुयेंतीक खर निर्जलीकरणाची लक्षणां दिसून आयली आनी ताका रोखडोच प्राथमीक भलायकी केंद्रांत धाडलो। दोतोरांनी बोटीच्या मालकांक आनी पिडेस्त व्यक्तींक वेगळे दवरून नितळसाणीचो खर उपाय दवरून फुडलो प्रसार जावचो न्हय असो उलो मारलो। नुस्तेमारी समाजात ही संसर्ग पातळाची भिरांग आशिल्ल्यान ही तपासणी जाली।
From the 25th of August, we have had a team over here who's screening. I have a doctor and other my field staff. In fact, they're taking the proper history. So we have got few patients on arrival only, they've come with diarrhea. So till now we've tested I think 1,655 yesterday. These many crew members have been tested, and around 13 cases of diarrhea have been detected, and treatment is being given then and there. If we had only one who was mildly dehydrated, who was sent to PHC Bali, but soon he was also fine. But till now, and what we are instructing the boat owners is to keep them under isolation. That is most important, to isolate them. Okay, and once they are fine, only then they can join back. And the treatment is being given to them in here itself.
Now his jetty is clean.
Pardon?
Jetty is clean here.
See, for us, the sanitation part, there are two parts. Regarding the sanitation part, is a toilet, and they should be using soap. So we will be given clear instructions to the boat owners. Please tell your crew members to use soap for hand washing. Okay, before, after using the toilet, before eating any food, and bring boiled water, because everybody has gone through it last year, so they know what instructions are there. But it needs to be followed. That is most important.
You said about the hygiene on the boats is a major concern.
See, over there, the only thing we can tackle is by proper hand washing and then drinking boiled water.
We have water pump असा आहे ना, आणि आम्ही रेग्युलरली इव्हनिंग आणि मॉर्निंग फ्लशिंग करता ऑफ द ऑक्सिजन शेड आणि जेटी, आणि प्लस आमचं रेग्युलर क्लिनिंगनेस ड्राईव्ह असता अलॉंग विथ द हेल्थ ऑफिशियल्स विथ द सरपंच.
पण उदक साठवून उरता तेचेर कितें करता तुम्ही?
तेचेर आम्ही फ्लशिंग करता पंपान
डेली फ्लशिंग करता?
एक्शन कितें न्ही त्याला आतां तुमचो डेडलायन काबार जाता न्हू तो 15 ऑगस्ट फाल्यां डेडलायन काबार जाता तो क्लियरिंग.
मागीर आमी ते इंडिविज्युअल ओनराक मागीर आमी नोटीस इश्यू करताले आनी आमचे कितें एक्शन आसा ते आमी डिपार्टमेंट घेतले.
Because in the thing what I pasted, you said the direct action will be taken without any further explanation.
Yes, but now what has happened, we have pasted on all the dinghies, so some boats are not identified, so that we will see what we have to do. But we will give the directions to the district and we will find them. So that penalty fine we will put for it.
What are the penalty like?
1 lakh. 1 lakh if they don't remove within 13 days. So that fine will be good. Possible, and we will separate administrative they will take up for that, but if within 30 days if they don't, then we will be fining them.
जी प्रायवेट जेटी आहा तेचेर कितें एक्शन जाता तुमची? फिशरीचो प्रायवेट जेटी आहा कितें एक्शन? एनी एक्शन
थंय
दिया?
सुद्दां आमचे थंय सुद्दां स्क्रिनींग बी चालू आसा प्रायवेट जेटीचे मोगोराचे. थंय सुद्दां फिशींग पास बीन इश्यू करतात आमी. फिश डेटा थंय सुद्दां चालू आसा.
दॅट इज अलाउड प्रायवेट जेटी?
We have given NOC for the private jetties. So they थंय सुद्दां हांगा कितें जाता तें थंय आमी करता.
सध्या आम्ही फक्त डिस्कशन केले, टॉयलेट जो इन्स्टॉल केले लास्ट टाइम त्यो फंक्शनल आसा ते चेक केले, नवीन जेटी आणि मुखाले कितें इन्स्ट्रक्शन आसा ते आमी इशू करतले.
पण टॉयलेट यूज करना म्हणून अशें आयकलां. हेजेर
म्हाका कळ्ळें की ते सेप्टीक टँक बरोबर ना म्हणून पूण डायरेक्शन दिता हांव तांकां. कोण कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट आसा ते कितल्या बेगीन ते करून घेवचे.
ते वॉटर लॉगिंग बी सारकें आहा तेंगेले सगळें वॉटर
आसा तेंची कितें तरी आसा हें आसा ब्लॅकनेस आसा. हांव करता डायरेक्शन दिता कलेक्टर कडेन उलोवन.